Good morning. Today I want to show you the new solar refrigerator WEMO that is a normal refrigerator with different zone of temperature, with an automatic thermostat, with an internal light, with a very nice place where to put a big bottle. In this refrigerator we install the new compressor Secop. I want to show you exactly what I mean. New compressor BD35K, WEMO WL 142 is a very nice refrigerator that is supplied with this compressor, new compressor, 12-24 volts, with the new natural gas isobutane or high-butane R600a that replace the old gas R134a. This is very important that you remind that you can find on market other kind of refrigerator or refrigerators with the old natural gas that is not more accepted from the legislation worldwide. And thanks to the quality, thanks to the Swiss made, we are sure that we can do the best for you. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.